We are doing something we've never done before on this channel, and we're gonna kind of pull back the curtain and do a behind the scenes video.
Straight to it. Okay.
Of a listing video tour. So we're doing a video of a new listing that Jennifer Konikoff on the Homes by Cusi team just picked up and putting on the market.
Amazing. Now that's not all.
So if this behind the scenes video we're watching right now is not really your jam and you want to go straight to the listing tour, you can definitely do that. If you're watching this inside of YouTube, just press here or possibly there. You go straight to the tour. If you're watching this on Instagram or Facebook, I'll have the link in the description. And you can also type in the word on Instagram, Jen video, and then I'll send you the video tour directly to your DMs. And I'm gonna head there now. And while we wait at the gate, I might as well tell you who else is gonna be there. Our video guy and all around go-to tech guru, Josh Vega, aka Bobby Millette. He's gonna be doing the video and the editing and help direct a one-man band. And then Stephen Mashad, who runs the Homes by Cusi team, he's gonna do our dollhouse tour. We do a lot of little features to get as many eyes on our listings as we possibly can, because that's what people hire us to do.
I almost recorded you.
It's in that corner, right? It's that corner house? It's that corner house?
Amazing.
All right, we're here. And what our video guy doesn't know is that I'm gonna be recording him. Huh? Recording you. Howdy, yeah, he's a ball of personality, isn't this guy? All right, so we got a vacant house. Ooh, this is nice. Stefan, right? All right, so the first thing we always do is turn on the lights, make sure everything's nice and pretty and clean and everything's organized. So Josh right now is opening up the window stuff. That's him. And now I'm gonna start turning on some lights. Sometimes you run into issues where, like this bathroom here, there's light bulbs up there. Hey, there's light bulbs. Open it up. Are out. Let's see if we can find some light bulbs. What's in here? An office room. All right, we got an office room. I don't want to go through people's stuff. It's like a closet? I'm not sure what that room is. Let's go to the garage and try to find a light bulb. No, that's nice AC though, carrier. Nope. And nope. Nope. All right, what I'm gonna have to do. He said there was furniture in the primary bedroom. There's a lot of bedrooms in here.
Oh, I see why. They're cleaning the carpet and just move the stuff in there from.
Oh, they're moving stuff around?
Yeah. You wanna help me with this real quick?
Yeah, move some furniture.
Too, yeah.
It's part of the gig. Last time we moved furniture, I showed you up.
I know. Yeah. Let's
Let's give it a whirl. I got this drawer open. Is it gonna hit? Which way are we going? We're going. Yeah.
against the wall. And then this can stay here, I guess.
Well, no, let's put it next to the bed. Let's make it look like a bedroom. All right, let's do a little staging. Look at that. So a lot of times you get to a house and it's just not ready. This one's not so bad, actually. Just moving some furniture around. And they move the furniture so they can clean the carpet. So no big deal. Let's get some lights on in this bathroom. And you always want to make sure the random things like garbage is just taken care of. What's that room downstairs that has all this stuff?
A den, a piano room.
A piano room? Hold on.
Yeah, why not?
Hello. That's not an odd angle. Angle. So where they had all that stuff in, Jennifer, is...
Dun, dun, dun. I was not quick enough.
Oh, what happened? What'd you do?
No, it would be like a piano room or a den. It could be used as an office.
As a piano room?
Yeah.
In this little room with the storage? I don't think we're talking.
No.
talking about this. What is this? I'm like, there's no piano fits in there. In this little room?
No piano. Maybe it's a zen area.
A zen area, but it's not listed as a bedroom. It's just like an extra space.
It's just an additional bonus.
That would be such a cool studio. Wow, I wish I had a room like that.
Yeah.
No windows, no one.
Yeah, you can soundproof this stuff.
Ooh.
Really good.
So the first thing we're gonna do is Josh is taking some still photos. When he's done with that, he's gonna record Jen to do her magic, and Stefan's gonna do his thing, and I'm gonna watch from here.
Jen, can you grab do you have that purse and that
Oh yeah, sorry. Needed my Mary Poppins sack.
See the sprinklers on? It seems like, you know, a lot of realtors who do videos can tell you this. It seems like there's always something that happens when you record a video. So sprinklers come on. It's hard to do videos and photos and all that stuff outside for obvious reasons. But you just work around it, you make it work. Are you prepared?
I am prepared. Here, well, okay, so this property is pretty cool because Coral Springs, there's not a lot of built, and this was built in 2020. So that in itself is amazing sauce. The community is, sorry, I pointed. The community.
Wow.
The community.
You look like Rosie Perez for a second.
Sorry, I pointed. The community.
Who's the chicken White Man Can't Jump?
Oh, I know the movie,
You know what I'm talking about?
but I don't.
She used to
I can't
be,
think
oh,
of-
the
I can't
famous
think of the
actress.
actress.
No, who would know? Josh would know. Vega. Yeah, it's Rosie Perez. Steven's too young. Steve, you ever seen White Man Can't Jump?
No.
Yeah, he didn't even know who Method Man was. Josh, who is the lady in White Man Can't Jump? The Spanish lady, Rosie Perez, right?
Oh, the Puerto Rican lady?
Yeah, Puerto Rican lady.
I don't remember her name. I don't know her name.
Oh, come on. So I had to Google Puerto Rican lady inside of White Man Can't Jump? Okay. Puerto Rican actress, white men can't jump. Rosie Perez. I was right.
I bet you it's the same chick.
You look just like Rosie Perez when you did that at the moment. And it's convenient because I didn't know she was Puerto Rican. What's his face just told me. And Jennifer is Puerto Rican.
That, can you even see me?
Oh wait, hold on. You gotta jump in the frame.
I didn't know that.
You are built differently, young lady.
I cracked myself up. I don't know if you noticed that. I literally had to say something and just.
You just giggle to yourself.
Oh, I laugh so hard. I don't giggle. I laugh.
You like, do you snort?
Oh, yeah.
You just did. Roll with your lips.
That was what my lips. Oh, yeah.
You just did. Roll with your lips.
That was what my lips.
Yeah, that was a lip snort.
Yeah. That was. I do often actually.
We'll touch on that. You want to do a practice run?
No.
No? Jesus, Josh.
Josh is clearly working out.
He's real man. All right, we're gonna practice. Come on, Jennifer. Where are we?
Hey Chris, we are in Coral Springs. See how I turned that on? Hey Chris, we are in Coral Springs, Coral Lago. It is one of Coral Springs' newer constructions. 2020. It is freaking to die for. Can't wait for you to see it.
Oh, you're a rock star. All right, Josh is done doing photos, so he's back inside, and he and Jen are getting ready for. Uh-oh, he's gonna get his gear ready.
That sound, if I was with myself, I would panic. Period.
Yeah, it's the motor kind of winning. Okay, I'm gonna do B-roll.
Are you gonna do B-roll first?
Yeah, I'm gonna do B-roll. So, yeah, I guess just figure out what you're gonna talk
Which
about here.
direction?
Do a practice run, Jen. So what Josh is doing now is called B-roll. B-roll is the footage of, it's the B-roll, the second footage, meaning it's not the main footage, it's the overlay of that shows things like the rooms and the lights and the fixtures and the kitchen without the speaker in the actual shot.
I'm just playing with this.
All right, she's finally getting mic'd up and ready to go.
Is it the proximity? Because, like,
They're doing like a little power session then too. That's a good thing about Josh. He kind of coaches them through it, does their thing,
roof
and after he coaches them through it, they go.
Yeah, the proximity to downtown. So it's just the walk.
Hey, dude! So what happened just there, we were kind of just prepping, and he owns the house across the street. and he is going to be listing his house in a couple of weeks. So Jen is contacting him, giving her his information. So there you have it. Might have another listing right across the street. Pretty cool. All right, let's see this video. We might be doing a video on right there. He's selling
that one?
Yeah, he's selling his house.
He's owning it?
Yeah. Well, might as well do it since we're here. Just bang it out. So unfortunately, I gotta go. Running out of time. Gotta get my kid. But that's basically behind the scenes of how the things go to do a video shoot. If you want to watch that full video on YouTube, you can check it out at the end of this video. And also, if you're watching this on Facebook and Instagram, I'll have the links in the description. If you're on Instagram, you can also, as I mentioned earlier, put whatever I said to put. Type in the word on Instagram, Jen video. Wait, are you guys ready to go? Ready to go?
Wait, don't take my phone with you.
I'm leaving. Just.
That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna put it inside.
What?
We gotta wait till he pulls out.
Yeah, it's a loud truck.
I didn't want you to leave and take my phone with you.
Okay.
I can't get in my car.
Well, I'm leaving as soon as we, right away. I gotta go.
Oh my God, me too! It matches your car!
Yeah. There's we're waiting for them to peel out. Basic idea of what a behind the scenes tour looks or video setup and all that of what we do. I have to go out to get my kid. He has swim lessons today. And I keep looking behind me because I'm trying to find my car. All right, I'll see you in the next video.